All right, my friends, it's a pretty beautiful day. Still waiting on fall. We got a big cold front in the forecast. Can't wait for days when the highs is like 80s. Right now it's way too hot out here. It's still 90 something. I gotta wear these waders because I got that brown recluse spider bite I told y'all about on my foot and I don't want to get it wet. So it's super hot out here. But look at this little creek. Awesome little spot to fish. And we are way out in the absolute middle of nowhere. I got my buddy Kyle, the fish whisperer, out here with me. And what we're doing is, look at all these log jams. You can see there's these huge log jams everywhere. We got live bluegill for flathead, and we got cut carp for the huge alligator gar that are in here. So we're going to different holes and stopping at all these different log jams and dropping baits down, either where the eddy's sitting for the gar, or right where the flathead should be sitting, right in the middle of all those branches. Got my favorite combo right now for giant fish, the KastKing Kapstan. Size 8,000 spinning reel. Just a perfect reel to put against brutal fish like this, especially when you need to put the brakes on them before they go into something like that. The KastKing Kong rod, basically the perfect creek setup for huge flathead or huge blues or huge alligator gar.
Watch that take like seconds.
It's just already on. Kyle, I got a big run. I don't know if he dropped it or what the heck was that? No, I think. Yeah, there's something there. Oh boy. Okay. Kyle! Oh, golly. Kyle! So many trees around, dude. Oh, no idea. Could be a 60-pounder. Could be way more. Hey bro, you coming? Oh, look at how fast he's moving. Yeah, you gotta turn your head, bud, or we're gonna change our directions here. What are you doing? Man, that fight is so different from a kayak. Nope, no, dude. No, dude, no. Crap. He's stuck in all this crap now. Shoot, there he is over there. He might come off. Look at, he's shaking the whole tree. Come on, keep coming. There we go. See his tail right here?
Oh yeah.
He's not out. I mean, he's still in it.
Like it kind of came.
You might be right. I can get him up to a certain point.
Yeah.
Look at him, man. He's right there. Golly. Gosh. He's out.
Oh, is he?
Yeah. Oh, it's a good fish, dude. It's a good fish. Yeah, dude, that's a good fish. That's so cool, man. Dude, he's hooked right in the mouth.
If you want to get out, it's real shallow right there, too.
Okay, where? Right in the corner?
Yeah, I think it's almost like bank right there.
Really? Man, dude, oh, jump! Dude, he's hooked so perfect. Like we can literally pop the hook out so easily. That's good. Thanks, man.
You might go 6.
Oh man, he's pretty big.
Yeah, I think we'll go 6. 5'10" maybe.
See that hook, dude?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? Oh no, 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 no.
Get him.
Oh crap, Kyle. Nope, we're screwed. We're in big trouble. Loosen your drag all the way. Loose?
Yeah.
Real bad.
He's running.
Real bad. Okay.
He's out.
He's gone?
Is he out?
Yeah, he's out. He's out. You can go tight again.
He's gonna lasso himself.
Well, we can, so hopefully he can. Oh,
Sweet. Awesome. Barely in there. If you'd have given him any slack, you'd have
any
gotten off.
flag. Getting this wet. 70,
no, it's
72 and 72.
Yeah,
Oh,
he's
yeah.
right at 6.
Nice. That's pretty cool. I mean, what is it, man? That's not going to be 100 pounds, is it?
He's close.
Close. It's
Probably
exactly 6 foot. It's got a beautiful head. It's in really good shape. Let's see if I can sit down. Oh. Awesome fight from the kayak. Totally different from land. Takes about twice as long, and they just feel so heavy, and they pull you everywhere they want to. We're pretty lucky we got that one in. Thanks to Kyle for the help.
Tag him real quick if you don't
sure.
mind.
Look at that. Got some pretty gnarly teeth on this one. Oh my gosh, dude. It's got some insane teeth. Insane teeth. Like some of those front ones are like an inch long.
Sweet, good job.
That was fun. That was awesome, actually.